Hey Brewers, doing something I haven't done before on this. I'm going to input a recipe. One or two people asked me if I can just go through how I put a recipe in, so I thought it's nice. I think it's really easy, so we'll do that. Right, so you scroll down the bottom, you can see the little X there and a circle around it. You just press that, input the fields, recipe name. It's basic. It's not that. It's a. I'll just put ESB. Oh, let's do it capitals. But okay, and you can see the list. Sorry, shitty camera. You can see the list of things here. It's a strike overshoot. You just literally press into the field. I have a 5-degree overshoot. Boil time, it's 6. You can see my finger in the way there, sorry, I'm not looking when I'm filming. Boil time 60 minutes, so you adjust that accordingly. If, for example, you wanted to go 65, you put that in and then okay. So that's, cooling target, we're cooling it to about 20. Sanitizing time, some people do. What I do is I do the full boil, and then when it's finished I whiz it round the CFC there for 2 or 3 minutes and then carry on cooling. That's the way I do it. I found that it just seems to take ages to come kind of back up to the boil, but there you are, that's just me. Seems to work fine. Right, one of the next fields is mash water. Mash water on this is 14, I think. It doesn't take, if it was say 14.4, 14.6, it doesn't tend to take that. It'll, oh, there's me lying. I thought it didn't. There you go. Sparge water is 21.5. Sparge temp, I'll have to check that in a minute. So yeah, I think it is 70. I have it 77. So oh, come on Gary. 77 there. So then you put your mash. You see your mash steps. There's 2 mash steps on this. You put your. It's very simplistic. If you've got 2 boil additions, you put the time it's going in, say 60 minutes, and then you put the hop. That's what. Shitty camera. I do apologise. That's how I do it. Put it in, then you press OK. Hop stand. That's 80 degree. I'm doing a 15-minute hop stand on this one. And that's about it really. And then when you're happy with it, you just literally press that. Oh, I've got to fill a couple more fields in, but you press that, and then you go on to the next stage, which is, well, for me tomorrow it's going to be brewing. So right, I'll just stop and reassess. Right, back again. So just reiterate, we'll go. Hang on, there we go. Right, so strike overshoot 5 degrees, boil time 60 minutes, cooling target 20 degrees, sanitizing time for me 0, but put in what you want, it's completely up to you. Mash water for this recipe 14.6, sparge 21.5, sparge temperature 77. I'll put the 2 mash steps in there, as you can see. You can add or take out as many as you want. The little delete button there, that's if you want to delete a step. Quite, as I said, it's very intuitive and quite easy. There's the Challenger Fuggles. I haven't put I'm basically putting East Kent Goldings in for the 0 minute, the hop stand edition. So for about 37 grams of that. So and that's about all she wrote really. Then you literally just and then when you come to brew it, hang on, it'll be in here somewhere, there it is. So when you come to brew that in the morning, you just literally press that green button and it runs through the the setup in recipe mode, so it gives you loads of prompts and really easy to use, I think. But there you are, give it a go for yourself. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you soon. Cheers.